We're diving into the world of cryptocurrency mining to explore the top 8 solo miners that enthusiasts and professionals are using. Whether you're a hobbyist or looking to invest in mining hardware, this list will provide insights into some of the best options available. 1. Mars Lander V2 Solo Bitcoin Miner. The Mars Lander V2 is an all-in-one solo Bitcoin miner designed for ease of use. With a hash rate of up to 250 GH, it operates over Wi-Fi and consumes less than 17 watts of power, making it suitable for home use. Its silent operation and simple setup process make it an excellent choice for beginners entering the world of Bitcoin mining. 2. Gecko Science R909 USB Miner. The Gecko Science R909 is a compact USB miner that delivers a hash rate of approximately 1 THS. It's designed for solo miners who prefer a plug-and-play solution. 3. Bitmain Antminer S9. The Antminer S9 is a well-known ASIC miner from Bitmain, offering a hash rate of around 14 THs. Although it's been on the market for several years, it remains a reliable option for solo miners due to its balance between performance and power consumption. However, it's essential to consider the electricity costs in your area, as higher power consumption can impact profitability. 4. Dragon Mint T1 Miner. The Dragon Mint T1 offers a hash rate of 16 THs and is known for its energy efficiency. Developed by Halong Mining, it incorporates advanced ASIC technology, making it a competitive choice for solo miners seeking higher performance. Its innovative cooling system also helps maintain optimal temperatures during operation. 5. WhatsMiner M3X. The WhatsMiner M3X provides a hash rate of approximately 12 TH. While it has a higher power consumption compared to some newer models, its reliability makes it a contender for solo mining endeavors. 6. Avalon Miner 821. The Avalon Miner 821 delivers a hash rate of 11 TH and is appreciated for its user-friendly interface and stability. Manufactured by Canon Creative, it's designed to be easily set up, making it accessible for solo miners who may not have extensive technical expertise. Its modular design also allows for easy maintenance and scalability. 7. Gecko Science Compact F USB Stick Miner. The Gecko Science Compact F is a USB stick miner, capable of achieving hash rates between 250 to 275 GHz. It's an excellent tool for those interested in experimenting with solo mining without a significant upfront investment. Its low power consumption and straightforward setup process make it ideal for educational purposes and small-scale mining. 8. FutureBit Apollo Tech. The FutureBit Apollo BAC is a compact, quiet, and efficient Bitcoin miner designed for home use. With a hash rate of up to 3 TAs, it offers a user-friendly interface and low power consumption. Its sleek design and quiet operation make it suitable for solo miners who wish to run a mining rig in a home environment without significant noise or heat generation.